I used to not like to put zippers in things, but then I realized how easy it is when I have the right foot and a great machine like the Pfaff Ambition 610 sewing machine. So it actually comes with foot number 4, and I'm holding it the way it needs to go on. Number 1, you're able to read the number 4 on it, and number 2, you need to put it on so these 3 little points stick out the back side. So you can actually attach this to the left side or to the right side, and these little grooves are actually where the IDT is going to come down and be engaged to help you easily stitch over fabric that might be slippery or thick when you're putting your zipper on. Also, do you notice how long this zipper is? I am a fan of extra long zippers. And these days, patterns are and have been written a lot easier for putting zippers in. So if there's purses or inside pockets to something. So trust me, with this foot and just a simple straight stitch, center needle position, it is very easy to see how to do the stitching. First, you'll start with the zipper right side down and next to the edge of the fabric that you'll be stitching onto first. Next, determine where you're going to be sewing. So if you're sewing on this side of the zipper, you can see that we need to actually attach the zipper on the left side of the foot. Engage the IDT if it's not already pulled down, and then line up the foot next to the teeth of the zipper and sew a straight stitch. See how that foot just hugs up against the zipper teeth? Next, traditionally, you go to your iron and you press this flat so you can then come back and do a little top stitching and hold this kind of down better. Now, you'll notice that if you put it in like this, this is where you use the other side of the foot. So it's just really easy. Just take the foot off and slide it over to the right side. Now, if you didn't want to actually switch it around, you could have sewed from the opposite side. Now, with a small piece of fabric like this, it's possible. There's not a lot inside the machine, but usually that's not the case, and you've got a lot of extra fabric that you're maneuvering and handling, so having it out to the left side of the machine is always best. So now you can just set that down, you run the foot right along the edge of the fabric. Again, pressing it would always make it a little bit easier, but you get the idea. And then as you follow the rest of the directions for the zipper and the particular project, you can see that you already have one side of the zipper installed and it's ready for the next piece or the lining or whatever is next.